Matt Scratch here. So today I'm going to test ride the little mini bike here if it will run. I did put some foot pegs on it, and I also put a chain tensioner on it and drowned it out. The teeth on the sprocket I made a little bit. Hopefully that'll help. So we'll see if we can get it to start here. I believe that was the clutch smoking there, so we're going to give her another try here with a bit more of a push start. The chain's still on. Doesn't quite have enough steam to get me moving. We'll give her one more try here. Got nothing to lose. I'm just going to do one this way so they can see that the smoke's coming out of the clutch is the problem. Not going to happen, and part of the problem is probably the clutch is mostly burnt up on this saw to start with.